Yeah, hi guys, it's me, man, in this video, I'm just going to be going over how you can stop the new console keyboard and mouse glitch that everyone is frustrated at and getting mad at, like how it is. Epic, fix your game, what are you doing? Just dirty pigs, man. I'm just just allow it, alright, okay. So basically, here we go. Does it want to switch? I don't know what it's doing. Alright. Wait, it has. Okay, what you want to do is you want to change your settings all the way to 1. All of them. Just put them all to 1. You'll see me demonstrating it. Right? But you want to put everything to 1. Right? Come out of it. Go up to what? 2? Something like that, yeah? Go up to 2. And then, play around. Go up to 4. Play around. Then you want to go up to 6, right? And after you got to 6, it's still gonna feel weird, You're gonna have the sense glitch, but we're not done yet. That's why. Right? You want to split that, so you want to go to 3. You'll see me do it in a second. You want to go to 3, and it should be fine. You should see some gameplay of me doing it at the end. I'm obviously not good. Since I've just said how you do it, right? I'll just say random things now. Basically, I'm new to keyboard and mouse and stuff, so I'm obviously not the best. But this glitch has stopped me from trying to get better and improve. So that's why I'm trying to help you guys see if you're in the same boat as me. And yeah, just trying to help. But alright, that should be all of me talking for now. Just enjoy the rest of the video, guys.